try this sweetie pizza thing. I'm not gonna eat it all now because I'm gonna try there's little things on the back that shows you that it's free. I'm gonna go with this one. One of the hardest things to do is peel the back off. Sometimes I'm really good at it, and it takes me 2 seconds. I think it's gonna be a good one. Oh yeah, I forgot I'm in the middle of a bloody car game. Sorry. Badabim. Boy, I think it's called. Alright, that. A 9 out of 10. Actually, no, 10 out of 10. Right, it's different ones. Let's try it with these two. I just wiped the little thing away. That's actually really good. No reaction.